What needs a good bath and a good wax?
Blue cell.
Blue cell.
Yes.
Another quality video coming at you today. Honey, what are we working on?
My shocks.
Your what?
Blue cell shocks. Stop.
What kind of shocks?
Oh, air shocks.
What kind of air shocks? The people need to know. She don't remember. They're Monroe shocks. We'll show you. There are the Monroe MA7 Honey air shocks.
I should have said something like AC Delco, something like just
Something
made no
totally
sense.
wrong. Call it a Chevy Mustang too.
Yeah.
It'd be really good. So yeah, we're putting these on the back of the car because anybody that's in a tercel wagon knows these things don't haul a lot of weight, and they like to squat over the years because the suspension gets all whooped. I put a set of those on that car, which you can see. Bongin'. She's got a little raise to her with the old 70 pounds of air in them, which Luke recommended these a while back. That's why I put them on my car, Mr. Bearded Wrencher. So yeah, now that I have them on my car, we like them. She likes them. She wants a set on her car.
Well, the problem is I had a hard time wanting to drive Blue Cell because it did not matter, just the slightest little hole, it would bottom out.
Yeah,
really
like a dip in the
bad.
road. Yeah, we put our camping gear and stuff in it for the meet and greet, and the car was just on its knees the
Not
whole
even,
time.
just like going to the grocery store and getting a bag or two of food and coming home, it would just bottom out. So we put the little spacers in it. Now I just need better shocks.
Yep, the shocks are going to give
I
it...
mean, the spacers made it a lot better, but I need the shocks.
Yeah, you're not wrong. The shocks are definitely going to help because you can pump them things up to like 150 pressures. So you can basically use your tercel as a truck, right?
Yes,
That's right. So...
well, I know. Can I? Yes.
yeah, every time we use it as a truck. Look, representing working on tercels today. How about that? Too bad it ain't a merch drop. I don't have any.
Not
But
a bad idea.
yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these shocks put on, and yeah, I think we gotta do front spacers too. We're gonna use cutting board and put them in the front just to bring the front up a little bit. So let's get to it. The cat is so loud.
I know. I had that thought when we started this.
Oh, look at that. Oh, who fluid filmed this thing? Look how fresh it still is. Oh, my.
Who's not drove it?
Oh, my goodness. I'm going to be wearing that. Oh, great. Yeah, this was our slight solution before throwing them bad boys in there.
Actually,
You don't need this.
I fluid filmed that. You helped with underneath.
That's right. Well, you put it on thick. Yuck.
Second.
Oh, the nut went flying. The nut went flying.
No, I was hoping to get an order in so I have something to put in the tank, but I'll just use my credit card. Want me to hold it?
No. Oh, yeah.
All of them.
There. Now we gotta go under the car. What the heck?
I'll be right back.
They only come with one nut, which is stupid. I always have to grab a second one. Make sure you put that thing facing the wheel well.
Yeah.
Now, you need to pull it down and slide it onto that. Heave! It's a little tougher with it. That's it. Here. Go ahead and... Oh, actually, you know what? I got an idea. Slide out of the way a little bit. It'll make it a lot easier. I remember I did this. Put a little lube on the hill.
Too much. Just a little bit. Okay.
Push, push, push. There you go.
It's all the paint falling in my face.
Is the bolt and stuff under there? It should be. It's to your other side. Stick that in there. A few Ogodogos on low power with this thing will be plenty. Just do like dun 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 dun, and it'll be good. Do a couple more. Yeah, that'll work. All it's doing is keeping it from sliding on. That's it. That shocks in. You just gotta. Now let's do the other side. Grab the shock for you. Since you're the one covered in paint anyways.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
My glasses are even. That for y'all's over there.
Grab it. Ironing. Yeah, doing the shock swap's easy. It's running the lines that's time consuming. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Where is it? There we go.
What's this?
Oh, I did the other way on the other side.
They're different. They're both different. I don't know why. Mine were the same way. It's weird. That's that. Shocks are in. Now we just got to run lines.
It's done.
Shocks are in. Look at these units. We got it on the ground, but ain't put no air in it yet. Oh, look at those. Oh, yeah. Minty. We did the same thing I did to the gray car. Put it right there. I'll go ahead and we'll put some air in it and watch the car go up. Hopefully. Oh, there's 45 pounds. Oh, she going up. There's 70. How's that look? Oh, yeah. She sits up a little higher now. Yeah. Oh, holds more weight. I think my air tank's out of air. That's 80 pounds. Now there's 80 pounds in them. I'd say sits up higher. It's like mega in the back now.
It looks really good. It looks like it's doing a squat, the Carolina squat. I'm gonna go like this.
It's got a leak.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I can hear it leaking. I'll figure out where it is. Hopefully it ain't the shocks itself. Gotta love leaks. That's not what I wanted to deal with. Alright, so we got the leak resolved. It was just a fitting I didn't tighten enough, you know. So yeah, there we go. Got the air fitting there, tucks away nice and neat under the rug, minus the crap laying everywhere. So yeah, it's not a very hard installation. As you can see in the video, I mean, the shocks literally just fit right into factory placement. No big deal. And I'll take you underneath so you can see how I run the lines. Because I'm a little OCD, so I use a vacuum hose that fits perfectly over the plastic line. Everywhere I tie it down, like that, so it has nowhere to rub through. Anywhere it touches the car, and then it's got this little fitting here. That's where your two shocks come in, and the one from up on the floor comes in it there. So yeah, that's how we do it. Pretty simple. And they look nice, they ride nice, and if you want to haul heavy stuff in it like a pickup truck like we always do, you know, don't use the truck, fellas, use the car. You can just crank it up to 120, 140 psi. It's good for the shock towers and haul a bunch of weight. So now we got to go ahead and do the cam seal on this thing and the valve cover gasket, because just overnight she's a leaker. It needs some love. Gotta get it ready for the meet and greet this year, you know, up in Michigan. So it'll be cool. Now we can haul weight in this pig. So let's go ahead and clean this thing up in the back and go ahead and get that cam seal done. Alright, so we went ahead and got her cam seal swapped. It was definitely leaking. And look what happened to it when I took it out. It literally is shattering because it's so old and dry. Look at that. That's crazy. So yeah, hopefully that fixes that leak. Oh! I saw that. Is the e-brake off? Oh, there you go. That'll get her out. Oh, yeah. Look how good this thing looks. Backing it out. Doing a walk around with the new air shocks in the back. Sitting up a little higher. We don't have a lot of pressure in them. And then we stuck my little cutting board spacers in the front. Right, honey? I think it looks great. Yeah, that's all we got, 17 pounds of air in the shocks. I think it looks good. She don't want it super high off the ground to where you can Baja 1000 it. And we hurried up and threw my 1.5 inch blocks in the front of my car. So I had to put more air in the rear shocks. It's looking good. Sits up good. Yeah, I like it. That's like the perfect height, even with the stock tires. So yeah, that'll do it for the blue Toyota video today, right? Yeah.